morning, guys. So today is Monday. My husband is home today. I missed you guys so much because I didn't do a vlog on Friday and I was off for the weekend, so I missed you guys so much. But anyways, we're gonna go radon hunting because I have to find all my Christmas stuff and some more platters, ovals actually. And hubby has a doctor's appointment, that's why he's home. Because he's been having back pain, so we have to take him to the doctor. Kids are getting ready to get out of the house as usual. Miss Maddie's over here. I went to Carter's yesterday to get her fall outfits because fall is coming. Well, fall is not coming, fall is here. And I had to get her some boots and some long pants and some long shirts and make sure the little Missy is.
Take out the papers you don't need.
I put a dent in my husband's pocket. Well, Maddie did because he handed her the credit card. So Maddie was just walking around Carter's and Oshkosh and just going crazy. Like, she was just going crazy. I was like, Hunte, no. That's not how we do it around here, okay? And she was like, no. Daddy gave me his credit card, so I'm gonna spend and I'm gonna spend and I'm gonna spend and I'm gonna spend, and she spent up all his money. So blame Maddie, not me. She just took off the shelf and she threw down what she wants, and I just pick it up and put it in the bag, and we just went to check out, and you know, we shall see if any of what she picked out fits. Okay, all right? Because Maddie went shopping. Look. Yeah, that little thing down there went shopping. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Guys, look what came in. Our ornament for all 8 of us. So there's Rob, Janice. She spelled my name wrong, but I corrected it. There's Jackson. There's Destiny. There's Maddie. There's Jordan. And there's Jason. The Albert knows. So our ornament is ready for this year. So guys, we're back in the house. My husband went to his doctor's appointment. That guy right there. And he has bronchitis. So, yeah, that's bronchitis. So, I went to Carter's yesterday. I told you guys I went to Carter's. I don't know if I should do a haul. I don't feel like doing a haul. I want to do a haul. Maddie's starting to wear the clothes she has because it was cold today. And my husband is boiling chicken. A frozen chicken.
That's because to get it.
It's just the nastiness, the level of nastiness going on up in this house these days. Like,
oh, well. Myself.
There's a lot of stuff going on back there, and I don't want to figure out what's going on back there because I know for a fact I'm gonna get angry, and I don't want to be angry today because, like I told the radon lady at TJ Maxx that was telling me not to touch anything on her cart. Well, I didn't tell her. I told my hubby. I'm like, I'm not dealing with negativity today. Not today. Not today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. Not in the mood. Today, I want to be a positive person. Like she was like, excuse me, you guys are not allowed to touch anything on the little thingy they have out there. And I'm like, I didn't even look her way because I'm like, for one, you're not talking to me because I wasn't touching anything on your cart. There's nothing wrong with looking. I can look. If I see something, I will ask you to get it for me and put it in my cart. It's that simple, right? It's that simple. So I just kindly ignored her. Then I ran around the corner and I heard her say, oh, if you find any radon, put it in my office and lock it up and call the people on the list to come get their stuff. So I come back around the corner. I was like, excuse me, there's a list? I mean, I want to be on this list. She was like, we don't have any list. The people that shop here have a list of things that they're looking for, radon wise and stuff. And then I'm like, no, that's not what you said, honey. You said there is a list. You said there is a list. I want to be on that list, okay? Put me on that list, okay? And call me, and I'll come pick up my radon, okay? Okay? But, yeah, she's kind of phony and fake, but anyways. Everybody's like, call corporate. Me? I'm not calling corporate. I don't have time for all that foolishness. It's just like the cheapest item they have is what, $3.99? Cheap powder Mary, well, I'm not doing all that. No, I'm not doing all that. Her conscience is going to get her. Her conscience is going, not me. I go elsewhere. I drive my happy little butt elsewhere, and I find my things, okay? I find the nice creamer. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Anyways, I'm going to go. I have to go do a haul and check on this boiling chicken. Oh.
I have homework, Mommy. Do you want to check it afterwards?
Alright, I'll check your homeworks. So guys, I decided I was gonna make my husband put it back. You don't get to ask and then take. No. So my husband told me I could order a KitchenAid. Well, I could buy myself a KitchenAid. And I decided I was gonna make him alfajor. Alfajor. Don't get me started. I'm just in the process of making alfajores. Alfajors. However way you pronounce them. Don't come at me because I say something wrong. I'm happy that you know how to pronounce things. So happy. But anyhow, it just came. It just, like the man just walked up with it. And I was about to struggle to beat up some stuff. So here is my KitchenAid mixer. So excited to open this bad boy. Yes, what are you talking about? This child takes everything out of the cupboards. Look at my house. Look. Maddie. 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 Maddie went in here, took out all of our games, dumped them out right there. Maddie. 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 Maddie knocked over my coffee. Made a stain there. Maddie, Maddie, Maddie. Maddie, 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 Maddie. You. Maddie, Maddie. No, this is mommy. Get your brush off the floor, please. You want to make some cookies?
No.
Want to make some cookies? We want to. So, it is ice blue. Like it's ice blue. It's really pretty. I wanted the color, this color. Hold on. I wanted this color. They didn't have any. So I got this color. Which is pretty. I love it. I really love it. Now I have to get the Ray Dunn mixing bowls. Funny.
No.
Destiny over here.
I'm paying you $15.
How much are you paying? How much are you wanting to clean out my car?
Me?
$15. Jackson, move your naked butt. 15. You're charging 15, and she's charging. How much is she charging, honey?
$15.
$15 to clean out my car. Who made the mess in the car?
All of us?
All of you. And you want me to pay y'all to clean out y'all messes out my car.
No. You pay me.
Some of my mess. I drive the car. I don't sit in the back and drive the car.
No. You leave your cup in your car. You want to make corn dogs?
I can go and pick up my cup out my car.
Mommy,
And you won't be getting $15.
you should make corn dogs with that.
No, I'm finished with the ingredients.
So we can get corn dogs?
Did you finish? Like, are y'all finished? Alright. So, back to what you were saying, Miss Lady. So, I have to pay you $15 to clean out my car. It ain't gonna happen. Take the $5. Take it or leave it. $5. Take it or leave it.
$15.
But I'm not paying you $15 to clean out the mess that you have created in my car.
$5. You can make that. No, you're not.
I have people willing to take less than what you're offering. You're the one that needs money, not me. So if I have someone that's willing to take $5 or $4 to clean out my car, who you think I'm gonna go with? The $4 one right here.
I want to go with $5.
$5. I know $5 is gonna make it clean. This $4 offer right here seems awfully cheap.
But if it's shiny, you only $15.
This is what you get for $4 right here. A 5-year-old, a messy 5-year-old wanting to clean out a car. You're just chilling, girl.
Chilling.
$5. All right. So that's $5 to clean the car.
Now $4. I'll clean your car. If you give me $10.
Which car?
Your green car.
No, that green car's dead right now, so it don't matter.
Your car. No, your car. How about inside? Clean the whole house.
You'll have blazing fast feeds all over your house. We'll see about that. Wi-Fi never reaches all the way out here.
$7 or $6.
No, 5. Take it or leave it. $5 for all the cars.
Yes.
$5 for all the cars.
Yes, I'll do
If she's going to clean out the cars, it's $5 for all the cars.
Yes, I'll
She can clean one car for $5, but that's it. The max. There's no more cleaning daddy car, cleaning the blue truck, all of that. No, it's $5 to clean all the cars. She can clean one car and get $5, but that's it with the whole car situation.
Right?
No, she said she wants to clean the house for another $5.
She can clean my closet
I'll do it
for another $5.
I'll do it for another
The
$5.
closet? That's it?
The closet and my bathroom.
Our bathroom?
The closet and our bathroom.
That's 25. You guys owe me at 5.
Then she needs to do something else for $5 more.
Let me show you for 5.
When do you need this $15 per?
I don't need $15. I just need $24.
What do you need $24 for?
You can make the money. That's
What do they think we are? Oh, okay.
Or I can ask Grandma because she's a babe. That's what you are mean.
These kids are over here trying to suck money out of us. This guy needs $24. That one over there needs $16. That one right there, the naked dude, he needs $11 for a field trip. He needs $12 for books. And I don't even know what that one over there needs. Like, what is this? And they all think that they can come and be like, oh, I want to clean this for $10. That's all at the same time. Like,
Amanda and Todd said they would help me out.
but that's okay. Daddy's the banker around here, right?
Yeah.
Got all the money over there.
Yes.
But anyhow,
I feel
this is it for this vlog. I don't even know how long I've been. I haven't gave you guys a vlog in a while, so this is gonna be awfully long. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this weekend. These past couple of days. Got my KitchenAid and I'm making alpha horse.
Alfajores.
So if it turned out good, I'll show it to you guys. If not, you won't be ever, you never go ever hear of that again. Anyway, alright y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below in the comment section. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.